Okay, so here's the Maserati Ghibli switch, take one. We just finished putting this thing back together, and we've done a lot of detail to it. It looks pretty darn good. All the arms, everything's polished. And now we're going to test this thing and show that every component in it properly works. Here we go. Okay, we're going to hook up the turn signal flashers first. Basically, the switch is just testing continuity through its various different functions. The light in the background shows continuity, so there we've got, looks like our left turn signal is operating properly. And it automatically cancels with the automatic canceller in the center of the steering wheel. And here we go with the other direction, canceling as well. Okay, so there's our turn signal switch test. Okay, now we have the activity of the headlamp pull function of the switch, where you pull it towards you and it flashes the high beam at any one of the three positions. And as you can see, we've got high beam get out of my way lights. Right now we've got the push button on the end of that stock operating the momentary contacts that are, I believe, town horn, country horn, and they do work in all three positions of the arm. We've got the opposite side. We've spun this thing around. We've got the single arm side now, and I think we're washing the windshield right now in all three positions of the switch and the pull function of the switch towards the steering wheel. Operational. Notice on the Maserati switch here, this twist switch actually has the insignia lights on it. It is for the interior lights on the vehicle. Go ahead and switch it on and off. Right? There we go. And it is totally functional. We may want to remove the light semaphore from that because this is more common to the Ferrari 308s, having the semaphore lights on it, and we could certainly remove that insignia. Here we are operating the windshield washer, and this particular function here, when the unit is all the way to the bottom end of its travel, it's actually energizing the park circuit, which is essentially off circuit. So there we have that function operational. Alright, now we've got the central position of the wiper switch, which is likely low or a low speed, operational, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to switch to the high speed portion, arm all the way up, and here we go, operating the high speed function of the switch, of the wiper switch. Okay, just to clarify, we've got the headlight switch on right now. We're bringing that into the middle section, showing probably on for low beams. And now we're going to make a quick swap to high beam by just moving the connector over to high. And in the all the way up position, we have high beams. Okay, this concludes the check and verification that all functions of the switch are operational. And it's a pretty good looking switch besides. Thank you for your time.